So right now, this is just the countdown clock for the exposure. We have this one in there for 40 seconds. It's using an LED exposure system to expose the screen. Once it's exposed, we will then take it to our developing tank, develop it, and wash off the excess wax and soft emulsion. Then we're going to take this to our developing tank. Put that in there for just a few moments. I'm just going to hold it. We're going to take it to this guy right here. And then we're going to take it back to our screen room, let it dry out, and it's going to be ready for press.